Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the part 2 update of the Bitcoin, because normally when the view gets invalidated, if the view becomes bad, because now we are actually confirming something, and I just wanted to roll out this very quick critical update because I do this all the time just to make you know, and I don't want you guys to miss anything. So here we are, we're about to make a bullish cross on the daily, and that view to nasty C correction is now less likely to play. And that's it, guys. You bouncing off the 55 on the daily, and on the announcement, please join the Discord, because Discord has everything. Okay, I actually updated this one on the Discord with a quick text that Bitcoin breaking out of symmetrical triangle. It can take you back to where you formed the triangle. Okay, and the prices were at 43,856. So being a Discord member is actually profitable for you. Okay, so basically right now on the 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna show you that symmetrical triangle, and to me, guys, that's it, man. You're not going to 39,000 and all those kind of stuff. You're now making a very beautiful double bottom and asymmetrical triangle that you're breaking out of. And I'm going to tell you the technical target out of this double bottom right now, and that's going to be from the top here to the bottom right there. That's going to take you from there to there. That's going to be 45,624, and that's just positive for continuation to the upside. Now, one more thing, we're going to talk about the details of this one in tomorrow's video, and probably if we can go and tackle the 46 and 47,000 and probably the $50,000 as well, because now business is getting very, very, very amazing for Bitcoin here, and a lot of altcoins as well are looking to explode all over to the upside as well. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this quick update on Bitcoin, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.